In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom watermark on Tradingview charts step by step, 2025. Let's get started by opening Tradingview and heading to any chart you want to work with. This works the same whether you're using the web version or the desktop app. Once your chart is open, look along the top toolbar for the gear icon. That's the Chart Settings button. Click it to open the Settings window. Inside the Settings window, navigate to the Canvas tab. This tab controls how the chart background looks and behaves, and it's where Tradingview keeps the watermark options. Scroll down until you see the watermark section. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. It's easy to miss depending on your screen size. Now, open the Watermark drop-down. Tradingview offers a few preset items you can display as your watermark. Ticker shows the symbol you're charting. Interval displays the time frame, such as 1H or 4H. Description pulls in the chart description if there is one. And replay mode will indicate when you're in replay, which is handy if you review historical price action. You can choose one or combine them depending on your preference and visibility needs. Next, make sure to check Show Watermark. Without this box checked, nothing will appear on your chart even if you've selected items in the dropdown. With the watermark enabled, fine-tune how it looks by adjusting the font, size, color, and opacity. A larger size and medium opacity often work well for clarity without overpowering your candles. If your chart background is dark, consider a lighter watermark color. If it's light, go for a darker shade. Opacity is key here. Too strong, and it can distract from your analysis. Too light, and it can be hard to see. Once you're happy with the look, click OK to apply your watermark to the chart. You should see it appear in the background immediately. If you don't, double-check that Show Watermark is enabled and that your color choice has enough contrast with the background. A quick note for 2025. Tradingview doesn't allow fully custom text in the watermark itself. You can only use the preset options from the dropdown. If you want to add your own note, label, or a disclaimer on the chart, use the text tool from the left sidebar. That gives you complete control over the exact wording and placement, separate from the watermark. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.